If you need to make a video shorter on your iPhone, we can trim them right in the Photos app. No third-party apps needed. First, we'll hop over to Photos and find the video that we want to make shorter. I'll use this drone video here, and if I scrub the video timeline, I can see that this one is about 25 seconds long right now. To trim this down, we're going to tap the little Edit button on the bottom of the screen, the one with the adjuster slider looking things. Then, right below the video, we'll have these handles that can be dragged. Pull those to mark the desired in and out points for your video. You can just cut off the end or the beginning, or you can move both handles if you want to shave off some of the beginning and end and keep the part in the middle. Once you're happy with your edits, you'll tap Done in the top right corner. The phone will ask you if you'd like to save this video as a new clip, which keeps the original version untouched and creates a separate copy that's been trimmed down. Or, if you want, you can just save this over original version. I'll save this as a new clip, and you'll see how it goes next to the original, but with a shorter length compared to the original 25-second clip. And that's it. Click that like button if this helped, and subscribe for more quick and easy guides like this.